Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we are here with Noah White. How you doing, Noah?
I'm doing great, Jason.
Excellent, excellent. Noah is one of our newer sales associates who has found success on our sales floor. He has hit the floor running. He has sold quite a few cars, and customers absolutely love him. Today we're going to be talking about either or for our 2024 models, and I've asked Noah to pick two vehicles that he likes and to explain which one he likes the most. Noah, please.
So right here I got a 2024 Mazda 3 hatchback and a 2024 CX-5 here, and between the two of these beautiful vehicles I'm actually going to go with the CX-5 itself. Now my reasoning for that is because when you're in the CX-5, it is a much higher feel. It's a very comfortable ride, extremely enjoyable, and then when it comes time to get down and dirty, you have that trunk space in the back that's more than optimal to fit everything that you need back there. It gets the job done perfectly. Now this vehicle on my right is beautiful, has tons of storage space, but for me, it is the higher ride and the higher feel to the CX-5 that's going to win the competition for me.
So you're saying that the CX-5, due to the fact that you sit higher, it just feels like a better drive for you. Would you say that you have better vision and more control of the vehicle when driving?
Exactly. It's all about the control for me. Sitting up higher, I feel like I have more of a grip and control over the road and the feel of the vehicle. It really does make quite the difference.
Awesome. But you would agree that both vehicles are worth the money. Both vehicles are fun to drive. Both are safe. It really comes down to individual preference.
Exactly.
Excellent. Well, folks, you heard from Noah himself. He prefers the CX-5 over the 2024 Mazda 3 hatchback. Both are beautiful vehicles, but nonetheless, if you're interested and you'd like to test drive the Mazda CX-5, the 2024 version, please come on into the dealership, ask for Noah. You can also give us a call here at 414-329-5800. Ask to speak to Noah. He will talk to you. He'll set up an appointment. He'll go on the test drive. He'll make you feel like $1,000,000. Other than that, you guys take care. Noah, say goodbye.
Have a good night, guys. Have a good night.
We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.